Claude 3 and DeepSeek V2, two leading AI giants, but the big question is, which one really delivers? On the left, Claude 3, known for its advanced reasoning and nuanced responses. On the right, DeepSeek V2, the challenger making serious waves with its cutting-edge performance. We're putting both through the paces in real-world scenarios: speed, accuracy, language versatility, cost, and more. Let's skip the buzzwords and focus on what truly matters. Each category racks up points, and at the end you'll see exactly which AI comes out on top. The winner may surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, here, the game plan. We're gonna walk through 6 major categories: reasoning and creativity, language coverage, coding and tools, safety and governance, speed and scale, and integration and API. Think of this like our battle map. It'll help us keep score and stay on track. First up, reasoning and creativity. Claude 3 honestly blew me away here. It's just super sharp with logical reasoning and does really well with these crazy, complex prompt chains. You can throw big, multi-part questions at it and it almost never gets lost. If I'm nitpicking, yeah, it's a bit slower on massive web-scale stuff, but wow, the quality is high. DeepSeek V2. Also impressive, especially with code and STEM problems. But when things get open-ended, like creative writing, it can sound kind of flat, so for this round, Claude 3 takes the lead. Next, language coverage. So this is where DeepSeek V2 really flexes. If you're working in Chinese or want strong multilingual support, this is basically as good as it gets right now. Claude. Super fluent in English, which is awesome, but once you step into Asian languages, it kinda drops off. So yeah, DeepSeek runs circles around everyone else here and wins the language game. Alright, time for coding and tools. I gotta say, DeepSeek V2 isn't just good at code, it's straight up topping all sorts of benchmarks like Human Eval and MBPP. You can throw complicated code problems at it and it just cranks out solid answers. It does kinda hallucinate now and then, but honestly, what model doesn't? Claude is solid for most Python stuff, but give it really math-heavy or super technical code and it starts to stumble. DeepSeek V2 for the win this round. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that DeepSeek V2 packs a whopping 236 billion parameters? That's absolutely massive, and honestly, most open-source models can't even dream of getting close. Just wild. Let's talk about safety and governance. So Claude 3 is actually known for being, well, maybe a little too careful, but for businesses and enterprise, you want tight safety, and Claude's right there with industry-leading mitigations and an ethical-by-design approach. DeepSeek's filters are decent, but honestly you'll see risky stuff sneak through if you're not careful. So this is where Claude 3 shines and grabs the point. Now, speed and scale. DeepSeek V2 is just fast, like you want to run huge batches or low-latency deployments. This model is so optimized it barely breaks a sweat. The catch? As your inputs get ridiculously massive, quality can dip just a little bit. On the other hand, Claude 3 is no slouch. It's really consistent, but it isn't built for those mega-batch, high-velocity scenarios. Easy to see. DeepSeek edges out here. Last category, integration and API. Here's the deal, both are pretty solid, but they have different vibes. Claude has a robust API, good docs, and solid enterprise security. DeepSeek gives you open weights for hacking and research, plus it's flexible to deploy. But if you're outside China, the API can be a bit sketchy, so honestly, gotta call this one a tie. Let's take a bird's eye view here, how both stack up across all our categories. Some categories are really neck and neck, while others are clear blowouts. You can see where each model spikes and where it lags a bit. Pretty interesting, right? So here's my honest take. If you want super ethical, reliable AI, especially for English and logical reasoning, Claude is the way to go. But if your focus is Chinese, writing loads of code, or you need to run massive deployments at scale, DeepSeek is just hard to beat. Both are strong, but each has their sweet spot. If you found this showdown helpful or just plain interesting, make sure to follow along for more of these advanced model head-to-heads. Trust me, we've barely scratched the surface of what's out there.